Stuffed Baingan Ka Barta is a popular North Indian dish that showcases the rich and smoky flavors of roasted eggplant combined with a delicious stuffing of spices and aromatic ingredients. This recipe will guide you through the process of making this flavorful and satisfying dish that is perfect for lunch or dinner. To make Stuffed Baingan Ka Barta, we'll need large eggplants, baingan, onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, green chili, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, salt, oil, and fresh coriander leaves for garnishing. These ingredients come together to create a mouth-watering stuffed eggplant dish that will tantalize your taste buds. First, we roast the eggplants directly over an open flame until the skin turns charred and the flesh becomes soft. Alternatively, you can also roast the eggplants in the oven until they are tender. Once roasted, we allow the eggplants to cool down before peeling off the charred skin and mashing the flesh with a fork. Set the mashed eggplant aside. In a separate pan, we heat oil and saute till the copyright finely chopped onions until they turn golden brown. Then, we add ginger garlic paste and green chili, cooking them until the raw smell dissipates. Next, we add finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. To this, we add coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. We stir and cook the mixture until the spices are well incorporated and the oil starts to separate. Now, we add the mashed eggplant to the pan and mix it well with the spice mixture. We cook the mixture on low heat, allowing the flavors to blend together and the eggplant to absorb the spices. For the stuffing, we can optionally prepare a mixture of roasted peanuts, roasted sesame seeds, and finely chopped coriander leaves. This mixture can be added to the mashed eggplant and mixed well for an added crunch and flavor. Once the stuffed baingan ka barta is ready, we garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with roti, naan, or rice. The combination of smoky roasted eggplant and flavorful spices creates a delectable dish that will leave you wanting more. With its robust flavors and comforting texture, Stuffed Baingan Ka Barta is a popular choice for vegetarians and eggplant lovers alike. Give this recipe a try and experience the delightful flavors of this traditional North Indian dish.